Danny, where the bars at?
All right, so I just started like rubber banding it. I usually don't do rubber bands, but I was like, whatever, I'm gonna do it because honestly I need to do these quick. With my schedule, I don't have time to really do no tiny ass braids. So yeah, I just washed and blow dried my hair and I parted it and I'm like oiling it and as I go. I'm using this eco styler. So basically I'll show you guys what I'm doing, what I already did on this side. I'm just taking this gel. I don't leave edges out in the beginning, if that makes sense. Like my edges start to pop out on their own, and I found that it looks neater to me if I put my edges in first, like with the rest of the hair, and then whatever comes out of that, I'll just let it be out. I put it on both sides, so I'm putting it on basically where the braid's gonna be. Like you want that slicked down into the rubber bands so that it looks neater, honestly. So I'm gonna start from the corner one over here, the one that's gonna be closest to my ear. And I just parted it. Alright. Oh shit. So yeah, there's a little bit of gel on there, but it doesn't matter because the hair is gonna go over it, obviously. So yeah, literally just part. And then rubber band. Now I'm making sure that the parts are straight or whatever. Like this goes there, that goes there. I'm making sure of that. But as for like, yeah, this part need to go by relatively fast, actually. Ooh.
Danny, where the bars at?
I use the comb a little bit to like slick it in the right direction. So like I said, for real, I'm throwing these things in there quick. Cause today I don't got time, cause if it was a little loose, just pull. And then it's the last one right here in front. And I'm just gonna be doing this with the rest of my head. So I did four, so I can do it this way if I want to, or flip it that way if I want to. Oh my God. I'm finally done partying, okay? I look freaking crazy. Okay, so I don't really know how it looked back there. I hope it looked alright. But so we're back. It's the next morning. I wrapped my hair up, so I like smashed it. Oh my God, it looked crazy. But anyways, so this is the hair I'm gonna be using. This is Eve Hair Incorporated. Anyways, I found this at my local beauty supply store. It's gold, like a goldish honey blonde at the top, and then it ombres out to a platinum blonde. The real numbers are T27 and 613. So I've already separated my hair. Pieces of already stretched out hair, and this hair is already pre-stretched. I love this hair for being pre-stretched. That saves, honestly, so much freaking time. And so we're gonna get started. The Eco Styler, and just put that over the hair before I braid it, and then I put a little bit on the tops too. And I'm just gonna be going in and doing it like overhand, and I'm literally just braiding this hair. Let me see if I can do like a better view. Taking that over, and then I push it up like that, and then I just intertwine. And then while doing that, you see the black, my hair, so my hair is back here, I take the blonde and I break one of the two into three so that I can take it with my hair, and then from that point on, it has its own strand with my hair, and that helps me to kind of cover it. Not that I want it to be covered, because I do want my hair to show a little bit, but I just don't want sometimes when your hair shows like that, it gets older faster and it starts to look like more rough faster. So I'm kind of doing the tuck method in a way, just because I kind of want to tuck my real hair away. And so that's the first one. This one's kind of wonky. My first one, no matter what I'm doing, if I'm doing my own hair or someone else's, for some reason, it's usually always trash. So yeah, I'm just gonna be taking that and braiding it down. I'm actually really excited for these. I was so tired last night. So when I'm getting to the ends, I'm braiding it down. When it starts to get closer to the blonde, well, I'm sorry, it's already blonde. When it's getting closer to the platinum blonde, I'm kind of just going to stop, because I will be curling these ends. But I'm not gonna just stop abruptly. I'm kind of just braid it down. Now I will stop. So I'm just gonna do a couple more and then I'll be back to show you guys the rest. All right, so I already wrapped up my first little row here and then left the ends like this. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with those later. So I'm taking another piece right here and I'm just gonna go
where the bars at.
So as I do the braid, I kind of just flip around the hair, the blonde hair, with my hair, and just keep mixing low-key more and more into my hair so that it's covered in that way. And like I said, these are lazy box braids. I'm trying to bang these out before I go to work so that I don't have to worry about my hair this weekend. Or I don't even know what I'm doing, but I don't want to worry about my hair. I heard I'm babysitting my brothers. So yeah, I'm gonna need to be cute because they like to be on people's heads. They only 7, 8, but they like to be on my head. They be calling me broke, like I don't pay these bills around here. It's disrespectful, honestly. So yes, braid it down to the end here. And then get to about there. I think I gotta go down a little bit lower. About there is good. I'm just Okay, so I'm finally done. I'm gonna braid the ends here. Just the ends though. And I'm gonna braid it down like Charlie Brown. Ew, I'm just gonna braid it down so that I can dip it. I look freaking crazy again. Oh my god. But I'm just gonna braid it down all the way to the end here, to the stinger, so that I can dip it and get that cute curly effect everybody has at the end of their braids. So basically this is the end. I braided the hair at the ends and I dipped it in water, and it was really crinkly at first. So I dipped it one more time and then it got into this subtle look that I have right now. And so yeah, it's like chill now. And I like it a lot. And it honestly didn't take that long. It just took me a long time to record it, I feel, because I didn't record everything I was doing, obviously. So yeah, if you like how I did my hair, please like, share, and subscribe.